The men's and females are 838 square feet apiece, so there's pretty large size here. Here we are offering a complimentary towel service. The, um, the larger towels, the samples here that we had at the building fair, will be located and folded up. Clean towels will be folded up here. We ask that you dispose of your soiled towels here, and there'll be a hamper installed in here, and then we have a service that'll be coming in weekly to take care of all those things. To your right over here, I just want to point out the wall coverings. They're made of banana leaves, potatoes, and pears. And again, that's points for our LEED certification for eco-friendly products. We do have these lockers available for everyone to use. You can come open them up. They're a little bit different shape. The long, narrow part is for a longer coat. And then there's like this little top shelf. If you'd like to secure your items, please bring in your own personal lock. However, remove it when you're done using the facility so all of your colleagues are able to utilize these lockers. Then down here to the farthest part of the locker room is another crimping area, and there will be blow dryers available in both the men's and women's locker rooms.